Hello everybody and welcome. In this video with Learning with NetMet, we're going to learn how to upgrade Docker Desktop for Windows. So if I go ahead and open up Docker Desktop for Windows, there's no obvious location that you can see on where to upgrade this application. If I click on the sprocket, the automatically check for updates is checked and ghosted out. I can't change it, but nothing else is there for me to upgrade with. If I go to the debug, I can do things like restart or deal with my Kubernetes cluster, etc. On our taskbar, down on the system tray, on the right side generally, you'll see the Docker icon. Now, a lot of times this will have an exclamation point when there's an update available. For some reason, mine's not doing that, but we can still continue. I right-click on it, and I go and I say, check for updates. Up will pop a window that says that an update is ready to download, and I can go ahead and click on the download update. Now an update downloaded, I right-click again, and I say update and restart. The Docker will start unpacking the files. The Docker engine will automatically start back up. And I received this message over here. Let me move myself out of the way. That the distribution stopped unexpectedly and it's asking me if I want to restart it. So I'm going to restart that. And there we have it. And your Docker desktop is upgraded. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video with Learning with NetMet.